Have you ever seen me? Ooh, why you say you don't? Why you say you do? Everything you do, I can't get over you. I can't tell the truth, I'm steady missing you. Cause I done seen some love and lost it far away. I hope my heart will win, but I'ma hope and pray. I'm dangerous by my side, get in my way and step. I'll take away your life, I don't even give a shit. Cause everyone can die till I get what I can get. And if I can't fucking write, you can see extended clips. I'm just trying to get it right, and I know that I'm wrong. You hear all of my pain, I sing it in my songs. Oxycontin to the brain, and I hope I overdose. I don't wanna see nobody else, so I'ma go to hope. And I don't wanna go back, I done been through everything. I don't wanna go back, they threw me out inside the rain. All this pain I ever got, I watched my fucking dad die, and they didn't give me fucking shit. I had to get a new life. Everything I ever did, everything I wanna do, I hope I have my fucking goals. I hope I manage to get through. I don't wanna fucking win, cause I'm afraid to lose. I'm afraid to lose you. I'm afraid to lose you. Cause everything I've ever done, I got on my knees and hoped and prayed.